Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Valorant 1067 error. So many of you users facing this problem. So I will tell you how to fix this problem step by step. So make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more and more interesting and knowledgeable video. So first, to solve this problem, you need to look for a VGC and start right click on it. So once you're looking at your desktop, you need to hit window key and press R, and then menu appear text box. In text box you select VGC and right click it, and after right clicking it, try to reopen your Valorant, and problem still not solved. So you need to the reason of this problem is secure boot or TPM 2.0 who is disabled on Windows 11. So you need to enable secure boot in your Windows 11, and this Valorant 106 error comes in Windows 10 because they are not supporting this game. That's why this problem faces by them. So this minimum requirement for this game is Windows 11. So make sure your PC have Windows 11. If your window is not updated, please update it. And after this you need to do one more step. So what you need to do, so you need to restart your PC after time, and check your firewall that is enabled or not, and then change the VGC service and enable the VGC service, and your problem will be solved. Thank you guys, keep supporting our channel for more and more interesting videos.